Hi people, you're welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be learning how to sew our shoulder princess that bustier. The pattern for this was already cut in the previous tutorial. If you have not watched that, please click the link on the screen. It will take you straight to that tutorial. All right, so if you have watched the first part, come along, let's stitch our patterns together. So the first thing I did was to fuse both the lining and the fashion fabric with my interfacing, which was already cut in the previous class. This is the two center panels. I'm just going to place them on top of each other like this, right side. I'm going to join all the way to where I want my slit to start from. So the slit length is going to be 38 inches. The M line, this is like 15 inches upward. Okay, so I'm going to join with 1 inch all the way to this point. Okay, and when I'm done joining, I'm going to just open it up this way, and I'm going to join the side panels to it. Okay, so just place your side panel and you join with it with ½ inch allowance. Okay, the two side panels. Oh, don't forget, your joining for the side panel is going to be from the M line. Okay, don't start your joining from the shoulder. When you're joining the side panel, you join from the M line all the way up. Okay, next you repeat the same thing on the lining. So you join from the neckline all the way to this point, and then you also join the two side panels to it. So when you get to where you want your slit to start from, you're going to backstitch and stop. Okay, so you open it up this way. You're going to join the panels, the side here. So you place it on top of it, right side facing. Starting from the hemline, you're going to the way up. Ensure they match very well at the underbust. That's the most important thing. Let the underbust notching, let them be at the same point. So what I usually do is just to pin it at that underbust. I'm joining with ½ inch. So I'm done with one side. I will also repeat the same thing to the second side. From beginning down to the end points. Okay, all the way down to the M line. So after joining, if you have any irregularities like this, you blend, 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 blend. Always blend. We are not always much. Highest maybe like ½ inch. So just blend it. So you're going to repeat the same thing to the main fabric. Okay, so I'm done ironing it. You can see this is the wrong side of the lining. So the next step is just for us to attach our bra cup. So you locate your underbust. and you're going to just place your bra cup on it. Ensure the hollow part of the bra cup be facing the wrong side of your lining, and you're going to position it accordingly. You can see the line for our under bust is still showing, right? So the one for the nipple point also is showing. Just follow the line and pin. So you make sure they are on the same level. If you look at the distance that I have from this angle to my armhole is 2. It should be the same thing with the other side. Everything should just be on the same line, okay? You don't want one breast to be up and the other one down. Remember, it shouldn't be like that. You should just follow shape, okay? It should be on the same level. So you take it to your machine now and you are going to stitch it down, okay? Done, okay? Next, so you place the lining on top of the main fabric. Place them on top of each other this way, right side facing right side. Then you join together at the hem line here, and you also do the same thing to this other side, okay? Next, drag it together, let it align properly at the underarm this way. Let it align properly at the underarm. See the way I'm holding it? Is it showing my hand? So let it align properly at the underarm here this way. Drag it, let everything match up. Then you're going to close this slit part, okay? Don't forget the slitted part is half 1 inch allowance, so you are sewing it with 1 inch allowance. So you sew like half inch above where that place that you already stitched, where the slit is starting from. Just put it a little above that line this way. So you are done with this side. So you go to the other side, you do the same thing again. This is the other side. This is the other side of the line. You also do the same thing, okay? See the way the lining drag up the Ankara? Same way. If you think you are not getting it, go back and match the underarm together again. Okay, you can see the underarm, match it together. But if you have done one side, it will be easy for you to do the second side, okay? So, stitch with 1 inch all the way to that position that you stitch, or that the slit is stopping, okay? Stitch all the way to that point and then half inch further away from that point. So we are done. Can you see? We are done. So the next thing you like now, you can turn it to the good side so that you see your work. Okay, so see your slits from the good side. You like it, right? Okay, good. So we have not turned the side, we have not turned the neckline. See it, we have not turned anywhere except the slit and the lower part. So for the neckline, just flip it like this. This is the right side. Make sure, find a way to make the right side to be facing right side, and you stitch the neckline together again this way. Let everything mash up well.
You notch all around the neckline, then turn it back to the good side again. We are done with the neckline, we are done with the sleeves and also the lower part. So the next is to close the side. So the side, see the way it is, just flip it this way and match the right side to right side, and you're going to close the side again with half-inch allowance. Half-inch. So turn it back to the good side. We are done with one side, so you also close the second side by flipping it this way again, matching the right side and the right side of the lining together that way. Close the second side. Okay, so we are done. So you just turn it back to the good side. So we are done. All done and ready. From the good side, you have this. You see, nice and beautiful. See our slits, neatly done. Can you see the slits? Neatly done. Okay. So the next thing you're going to do now is just to join front and back together, and you fix your sleeve. Right side to right side. Right side to right side. You join together at the shoulder. Okay. Join together at the shoulder. So just done. Hey, see the back. See the back. See the yash. She go right now when she see the cash. Thank you. I like it. Thank you so much.